Hello everyone, welcome to our latest video on My Dad's a Science Teacher. Today we will be doing kaboom balloons.
It is a combination of two of kids' favorite things, explosions and balloons. This is very dangerous, do not try this at home.
Though it's becoming more rare and expensive, helium is still pretty easy to obtain.
Helium is less dense than air. That's why we use it in balloons to make them float.
And hydrogen is even less dense than air. But we don't use it in balloons because it's highly flammable and explosive.
Hydrogen, however, is not cheap and not easy to get, so we had to find a way to make our own.
One material we needed was Drano. Drano contains substances called lye, ammonium nitrate, aluminum, and hydrogen.
Nope. Sodium.
Sodium hydroxide. There we go. Sodium hydroxide. And sodium hydroxide is the strongest base known to man. One of, at least. And it's meant to dissolve stuff like hair and fats. And if it comes in contact with your skin, it can do some serious damage, so don't touch it.
Here is our dad adding in the Drano granules to the warm water with a paper funnel so he does not touch the granules. We had to roll up about 100 aluminum foil balls. It took a while, but we got it done. Then we had to put them in glass bottles that had warm water in them. The reason that they are glass bottles and not plastic, because the glass can withstand the heat of the reaction.
The reaction going on in this bottle is between aluminum and water.
And the reaction gives off aluminum oxide and hydrogen.
There's also another reaction going on that gives off ammonia.
And if you're doing this at home and you smell something that smells pretty bad, it's probably the ammonia.
3, 2, 1, start dropping. Quick, guys.
Here's a close-up of the aluminum reacting with the Drano solution. The bubbles you see inside the jar are the hydrogen. Unfortunately, the first time we tried it, only one of them went up. And of course, we can't just use one. So we tried it again, and this time we added more foil into it.
Okay, so we're gonna leave this till tomorrow.
Till tonight at least, right?
Tonight, at least tonight. So we need to roll more and we need to put more in the jars. So we're gonna try that and hopefully we can get this to work.
Eventually, it did work, but in the process, one of our bottles broke. So now we only have 3.
That wasn't the one. There's no repairing that.
Yeah.
And now it's time to fill a few balloons with helium. Then, my dad collected and tied all of the hydrogen balloons. We'll start with a few normal, boring helium explosions.
That one was not as loud as the other.
That was not hydrogen.
Get under it.
Beach dog is on.
Under. Classic blow up.
Okay.
We know why you clicked on this video, and that's to see some explosions. But first, we'd have to tell you what happens during this reaction.
Hydrogen is a very unstable element. This means that it needs another element to react with to become stable. In this case, 2 hydrogen atoms are reacting with 1 oxygen atom to make H2O or water vapor.
The candle in this case acts as the activation energy to cause the reaction.
My dad's a bit of a slow learner, so he didn't use an extended lighter or gloves.
Oh, it did. It got my hand.
Yeah, I saw it literally go in your hand.
Good one.
Wait. Oh, that was fun. Oh, it smells like bird hair.
Boom! That was a good one.
That was great.
Whoa! Where's the glove?
That They got me so good the first time that there was nothing there to do next.
We got a little smarter and used an extended lighter. Jove and I also got to ignite the explosions.
That door took a while, that was powerful. It sounds like a gunshot. I felt a shockwave from it.
This was one of the cooler ones that we did because it was in the dark.
Recording?
Recording goggles on?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm a fireball.
Joe is now doing the hydrogen.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. See you guys next time. Bye. Bye.
Okay, and quit pulling your pants up. Okay. All right, let's try it again.
Go ahead. I'm ready.
Are you?
That was really.
Okay,
Could
come
you
on,
stop?
please.
Hey guys, this is Newton. He's just Silver Lab. He's 10 weeks old. He's definitely still a puppy.